Imagine sliding a laptop out of your bag that is so impossibly thin, so completely silent, and yet so devastatingly powerful that it completely rewrites every single rule of modern computing. For decades, the tech industry has trapped us in a frustrating, repetitive cycle of compromises. If you wanted a machine that was hyper-portable, feather-light, and could last all day on a single charge, you had to settle for basic processors that choked the moment you tried to load a heavy video project or render a complex design file. If you demanded raw, unyielding performance to handle professional workloads, you were forced to carry a heavy, bulky plastic brick that required a massive charging brick, constantly whined with loud fan noise, and died within a few hours of leaving a wall outlet. Apple shattered those old boundaries when they transitioned to their custom silicon architecture. But the true revolution has just evolved into something entirely unprecedented. The brand new Apple MacBook Neo 2 has arrived, and it is an absolute masterpiece of extreme engineering. This is not a subtle, iterative upgrade or a predictable, minor design refresh. The MacBook Neo 2 represents a fundamental structural and computational leap forward, introducing an entirely new category of ultra-performance computing wrapped inside a hyper-light, ultra-sleek aerospace-grade chassis. Apple has taken the most cutting-edge advancements in 3nm silicon fabrications and paired them with a radical rethink of hardware design, delivering a machine that makes previous flagship laptops look like relics of a bygone era. At the absolute beating heart of this mobile powerhouse is the custom-engineered Apple M5 Neo processor. Built on an enhanced, ultra-dense 3nm manufacturing process, this silicon marvel crams an astronomical number of microscopic transistors onto a single, highly optimized piece of glass. The M5 Neo introduces a brilliant, asymmetrical core architecture that splits the processing load between specialized high-performance cores and ultra-efficient management cores. The performance cores have been deeply re-architected from the ground up, executing complex, single-threaded operations with an instantaneous responsiveness that feels almost telepathic. Meanwhile, the efficiency cores quietly handle standard background tasks using a mere fraction of a single watt of power, ensuring that the laptop remains ice-cold and completely responsive even when you are pushing it through a heavy multitasking storm. But where the M5 Neo Silicon truly leaves the competition in the dust is in its heavily upgraded graphics processing architecture and massive memory throughput. The GPU inside this machine introduces advanced, hardware-accelerated ray tracing, mesh shading, and dynamic memory caching. This means that for the first time in an ultra-thin laptop, visual artists, developers, and creators can render complex three-dimensional scenes, execute cinematic lighting simulations, and play high-fidelity games in real time without experiencing a single stutter or dropped frame. To fuel this graphical beast, Apple has widened the internal unified memory highway to an incredible bandwidth level. This hyper-fast data architecture allows the central processor, the graphics cores, and the specialized neural arrays to tap into the exact same memory pool simultaneously, completely deleting the traditional bottlenecks that slow down standard PCs. For years, users have expressed deep frustration with the baseline limits of premium laptops, watching entry-level machines launch with starved memory and tiny storage drives